Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. English Talks. I'm happy you're here because today we're going to turn your spare time into your secret power. You don't need 10 free hours a day. You don't need perfect motivation. You only need small windows, 5, 10, maybe 30 minutes and a smart plan. The topic is simple and strong. Do these 5 things in your spare time and your next 6 months will look completely different. I'll speak like a friend, keep the English simple, and give you clear steps you can start today. First, let's fix the way we think about spare time. Most people wait for a big block to do something important, and because that big block rarely comes, nothing happens. Winners use small blocks again and again. 10 minutes every day beats 2 hours once a month. Think of a plant. It doesn't drink a bucket once a week. It takes small sips every day. Your skills, your body, your future, they grow the same way. So here are the 5 best things to do in those small windows, with stories and steps you can follow. The first thing is to build one compounding skill. A compounding skill is a skill that helps in many areas and gets more valuable the more you practice it. Clear writing is a compounding skill. Data basics like spreadsheets are a compounding skill. Communication, public speaking, and using AI tools are compounding skills. Language learning is a compounding skill too. Choose one and give it 15 to 30 minutes in your spare time most days. Keep it small and steady. A young cashier named Sagar did this with spreadsheets. Each evening he watched a short lesson and practiced 5 simple formulas. In 6 weeks he built a daily sales tracker for the store. The owner noticed, gave him a raise, and asked him to handle inventory. He didn't change jobs, he changed value. Your action is simple. Tonight, choose your one skill and find one clean resource. Tomorrow, spend 15 minutes learning and 15 minutes practicing. At the end of 7 days, make a tiny project that proves your progress. If your skill is English, record a 1-minute speaking journal each day. If your skill is writing, publish 3 short paragraphs about a topic you know. If your skill is data, build a small dashboard for your own budget. Tiny projects turn hours into proof. The second thing is to move your body and train your brain. Your body is the machine that builds your dreams. If the machine is tired, everything feels heavy. Use spare time for short movement and simple breath work. 10 minutes can change your day. Do squats, wall push-ups, a fast walk, or climb stairs. Add the 4-6 breath. Inhale gently through your nose for 4, exhale for 6, 10 times. Longer exhales tell your nervous system, you are safe. This lowers stress and sharpens focus. Mira, a college student, felt sleepy every afternoon. Instead of another coffee, she set a 10-minute timer, walked outside, and did the 4-6 breath for 1 minute. After 1 week, her head felt clear and her notes improved. She didn't add more hours. She added oxygen. Use your spare minutes between tasks to stand, stretch, and breathe. Your brain will thank you with better energy and better choices. The third thing is to create and ship micro projects. Learning is good, but finished work is better. Use your spare time to produce small things you can show. A 1-page case study, a simple graphic, a short helpful video, a clean paragraph for your blog, a before and after photo of something you fixed. Each piece is a brick in your portfolio. Ria wanted a job in social media. She didn't wait for a company to hire her. In her spare time, she picked 3 local cafes, redesigned 1 post for each, and wrote a short note about why. She posted the work and emailed it to the owners. One owner replied, "Can you do this for us twice a week?" That small yes became her first paid client. Micro projects make your ability visible. Your spare time is perfect for them because they are small by design. This week, choose one problem you can solve in an hour and finish it in 3 short sessions. Share it with someone who can benefit. Finished beats perfect. The fourth thing is to strengthen relationships and your network. Opportunities move through people. Use spare moments to be human on purpose. Send a short thank you to someone you learned from. Share a useful link with a friend who needs it. Ask a mentor one clear question. Check in with family for 5 minutes without your phone in your hand. A young engineer named Omar made a rule: one message a day to someone he respects, no ask, just value. In 3 months, he had a warm circle of people who knew his name. When a role opened up at a partner company, one of those people said, "Omar is consistent and sharp, interview him." He didn't beg for a favor, he built goodwill. In your spare time, do the same. You will feel good and you will build bridges. And don't forget the relationship with yourself. 5 minutes of journaling, what I finished, what I learned, what I will do tomorrow, creates a calm mind and a clear direction. The fifth thing is to clean your life, your space, your money, and your plan. Clutter steals energy. Fear around money steals focus. Confusion steals action. Use small windows to fix all three. Set a timer for 10 minutes and declutter one drawer, one shelf, or your desktop. You will breathe better. Open your banking app and move a small amount to savings automatically on payday. Even $5 builds the habit. Cancel one subscription you don't use. Write tomorrow's one most important task on a sticky note and put it where you will see it first thing. Tara, a university student, did a simple admin power hour split into 4 spare blocks each week. 20 minutes for money, 20 for planning, 20 for cleaning, and 20 for documents. Within a month, she felt lighter and saved enough for a course she wanted. Clean space, calm money, clear plan. That is the quiet power you build in spare time. You might ask, what if my spare time is 5 minutes here and 7 minutes there? Perfect. Use the 2x5 rule, 2 minutes to start, 5 minutes to continue. Start the video lesson and watch for 2 minutes, then keep going for 5. Open the document and write 2 sentences, then keep going for 5. Fill a glass of water and take 2 slow breaths, then walk outside for 5. Tiny starts create momentum. When you learn to begin fast, you learn to finish more. Let me tell you a story to see how these 5 moves work together. Dev works in customer support and dreams of a better role. He gets home at 6, tired and hungry. He wants to scroll. Instead, he uses the 5 moves. He drinks water, does 4-6 breathing for 1 minute, and walks around the block. His mind clears. He sits down and gives 15 minutes to his compounding skill, writing better emails with help from AI. Then he spends 10 minutes on a micro project, a standard reply template and a short guide for common issues. He messages his old teacher with a thank you for a lesson that helped today. He spends 10 minutes cleaning his inbox and moves a little money to savings automatically. Before bed, he writes 3 lines: what he finished, what he learned, and what he will do tomorrow. After 2 weeks, his replies are sharper, his manager notices, his desk is clean, his savings is growing, and he feels in control. He didn't change his job. He changed his use of spare time. If you want a simple plan to make this stick, try a 7-day challenge. On day 1, choose your one compounding skill and find one trusted learning source. On day 2, add a daily 10-minute movement break and the 4-6 breath after lunch. On day 3, finish one micro project you can show, even if it is small. On day 4, send 2 thank you messages and 1 helpful link to someone in your circle. On day 5, clean one corner of your space and move a small amount to savings automatically. On day 6, repeat the cycle with smaller steps. On day 7, write a 1-page note called My Spare Time System, what you do when you do it, and how it makes you feel. Read it every morning next week. You will build a rhythm that runs even on busy days. Avoid 2 traps as you start. The first trap is waiting for a perfect block. Use small windows now, big windows will come later. The second trap is choosing 5 new things at once and doing none of them well. Start light, pick 1 or 2 moves today. Add more next week. Your goal is a system you can keep, not a sprint you will quit. Also, be kind to yourself. If you miss a day, you didn't fail, you paused. Begin again with the smallest step. The person who begins again wins. I want you to see the future this creates. Imagine 3 months from now. Your spare time has turned into skill hours and your portfolio has 5 small pieces of work you are proud of. Your body feels steadier because you move a little every day. Your network is warmer because you send real messages, not just likes. Your room is cleaner, your money is calmer, and your next day always has one clear task waiting. This is not a dream. It is what happens when 5-minute windows meet 5 smart moves. Right now, let's take action together. Think of your next spare 10 minutes today. Choose one move and do it. Watch a short lesson and practice one small part. Take a walk and breathe out longer than you breathe in. Finish a tiny project and send it to one person who needs it. Text a sincere thank you to someone who helped you. Clean one shelf and write your most important task for tomorrow. You do not need to wait. Your next 10 minutes are a door. Open it. Thank you for spending your time with me at Mr. English Talks. Use your spare minutes with care and courage, and they will give you hours of progress before you know it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.